Kala ko matutulog na ako eh.
Hindi ka matutulog lang, mapwede sa surprise!
Yung package nandun niya, naghihintay na sa inyo. Tara ba na tayo sa kahan?
Asan sila Mayali?
Andyan,
Yun no. Ano ni?
Your surprise, Mama Yoli.
Yun no.
Saan gusto mo? Dito mo doon? Mami, malaglag na naman ito. Wow!
Yan, ako wala.
Ate daw, ate.
Ate tayo, ate.
Ay, si ate. Balik. Yung pagbukas ni Mama Yoli. Nagdari mo, yan! Buti, dinahula. Yan! Astig pa.
1, 2, 3, go! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you!
Love. Wish mo na, wish.
Wish mo na, Papa Edison!
Wish.
Yay! Isa pa. Okay, clap naman kayo dyan.
Surpresa yan. Buksan mo yan, Papa Edison. Patakin yung picture mo.
Hilahin, paangat. Paangat.
Yan.
Yan.
Wow!
Oh, ang dami naman yan.
Atak lang.
Paangat, Papa Edison.
Atak.
Oh! Palaki ng palaki.
50 na.
O, 50 na. Baka meron na diyang kulay blue.
50 lang yata.
Oy! May violet na, may violet na.
May mga nakapakulong babae.
Mamaya meron na diyang nakasalamin.
Atras mo.
Okay. Walang blue, Papa Edison.
Hey.
Okay. Inabot na. Oh, alam na.
Wala na, nakay Mama Yoli na.
Ano masasabi mo daw, Papa Edison?
Ate Vanessa.
Ate Vanessa. Na-surprise ka ba?
Oh, bra.
Oh, thank you naman.
Salamat ha.
Si ganda daw, Ate Vanessa.
Ganda, andyan. Salamat din ganda.
Tulog pa eh.
Tulog pa.
Binalik niya na. Ikaw, Mama Yoli, ano masasabi mo? Ano masasabi mo?
Sobrang saya.
Oh, sobrang saya dati, Vanessa.
Gulat ako.
Speechless silang dalawa. Dapat si Papa Edison lang dapat yung maso-surprise. Na-surprise si Mama Yoli.
Kala ko matutulog na ako eh.
Hindi ka matutulog lang, Papa Edison. Surprise!
Tulog na si Papa Edison eh. Yoli, kamusta ka na Mama Yoli?
Eto,
Kamusta na yung kalagayan mo?
okay naman.
Pampacheck up. Sige ng Shopee.
Ayan na, nagkaabutan na. Oo nga, nagulat din siya. Surprise! Okay, iyak na Mayoli ah. Surprise! Sabihin mo, Tuan na.
Walang ano.
Salamat, Chappy.
Salamat siya.
Pa-check up ka na Mayoli.
Salamat, Espanyolang hilaw.
Ay, di pala rin.
Ulat naman ako.
Walang iyakan, Mama Yoli, ah.
Ano yan? Para sa iyo, Mama Yoli.
Surprise!
Iyak na yun siya ng ano.
Oh.
Ng ano ba yun?
Ayan na, ang pangkabuhayan showcase ni Mama Yoli.
Ano ba yan, Dave?
Pangkabuhayan showcase. Oh, naiyak na si Mama Yoli. Di ba may grocery pa?
Yeah, good afternoon. Pwede mo ganun saan po yung bahay ni Yoli Salmo? Ito po.
Oo.
May package po kasi na ano dumating. Pangalan niya. Galing Spain. Gusto ko lang ito receive.
Okay.
Opo. Ma'am, from ano kami, Transportify, meron pong pinadala pong package sa inyo from Spain po. Kailangan po receive eh.
Hindi naman po. Sama niyo na rin po si Sir. Sir, sama na rin dito kayo. Sige, sir, dito na po kayo, sir.
Happy birthday, Ma'am Yoli. Happy birthday po.
Happy birthday po, ma'am. Dito po, ma'am.
Yung package, ma'am.
Dito.
Ito, okay. Hindi lang, ma'am, ha. Hindi mo natin ito.
Dito po, ma'am. Sige, ma'am.
all the times you told me not to touch the light. I never thought that you would be the one. I couldn't really justify how you even thought it could be right, 'cause everything we cherished is gone. And in the end, can you tell me if it was worth the try, so I can decide? Leaves will soon grow from the barrenness of trees, and all will be alright in time. From waves overgrown come the calmest of seas, and all will be alright in time. Oh, you never really love someone until you learn to forgive. Try as hard as I might to flee the shadows of the night. It haunts me and it makes me feel blue. But how can I try to hide when every breath and every hour I still end up thinking of you? And in the end, everything we have makes it worth the fight. So I will hold on for as long as the leaves will soon grow from the barrenness of trees, and all will be alright in time. From waves overgrown come the calmest of seas, and all will be alright in time. Oh, you never really love someone until you learn to forgive. I never thought that I would see the day that I decide if I should leave or stay. But in the end, what makes it worth the fight is that no matter what happens, we try to make it right. Leaves will soon grow from the barrenness of trees, and all will be alright in time. From waves overgrown come the calmest of seas, and all will be alright in time. Wounds of the past will eventually heal, and all will be alright in time. 'Cause all of this comes with a love that is real. I said all will be alright in time. I said all will be alright in time. I said all will be alright in time. All will be alright in time. Oh, you never really love someone until you learn to forgive. You learn to forgive. Learn to forgive.
I can't remember when you weren't there, when I didn't care for anyone but you. I swear we've been through everything there is. Can't imagine anything we've missed. Can't imagine anything the two of us can't do. Through the years, you've never let me down. You've turned my life around. The sweetest days I found with you. Through the years, I've never been afraid. I've loved the life we've made, and I'm so glad I stayed right here with you through the years. I can't remember what I used to do, who I trusted, who I listened to before. I swear you've taught me everything I know. Can't imagine needing someone so. But through the years it seems to me I need you more and more. Through the years, through all the good and bad, I know how much we had. I've always been so glad to be with you. Through the years, it's better every day. You've kissed my tears away. As long as it's okay, I'll stay with you through the years. Through the years when everything went wrong, together we were strong. I know that I belong right here with you. Through the years, I never had a doubt we'd always work things out. I've learned what life's about by loving you through the years. Through the years, you've never let me down. You turned my life around. The sweetest days I've found with you. Through the years, it's better every day. You've kissed my tears away. As long as it's okay, I'll stay with you through the
Hi guys! Ito nga pala ang aking napaka-poging father. Yan ang may magandang Vanessa. Yan. Happy birthday pa.
Ano yan?
Vlog.
Ako ba yan? Vlog.
Oo.
Ay, vlog, sabi mo.
May mga hi vlog.
Ay, vlog.
Tawagin mo yung birthday. Happy birthday now. Si Papa. Kiss na si Papa, kiss. Happy birthday. Kiss, kiss, kiss. Oh, yakap mo na si Papa. Yakap mo. Ikaw, dali, yakap mo. Ikaw, happy birthday, Papa. Yakap mo si Papa. Happy birthday.
Pumuna kayo dyan. Ayan, mainit.
Mami, picture! Mami! Mami, yung picture!
And then she asked me, do I cry as she is just one for Ayun.
Tagay.
We got to a party.
Wow, may ganun pa.
And everyone turns to see this beautiful lady. It's walking around with me. Next.
Next down, next.
You go for one. I feel good.
Yeah!
Ganda nyo naman. Toto nyo na.
Todo na to!
Yan mo, kuya. O, sige pa. Yan. O, pwede. O, ikaw naman, kuya.
Malaking pera to yun.
Kuya, kay Bob. O, ayan mo si Benji. O, Angelina.
Parang nakarin talaga.
Papa. Parang baliw lang, kuya. Lang dito ka lang.
Wala pa. Happy birthday to you. Day to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Day to you. Hindi ikaw birthday wish mo sa sarili mo.
Walang problema.
Birthday wish.
Birthday wish.
Oo, sarili mo.
Wish ko lang, sana, may raos lang.
May raos.
May
Ay, yung anak ko sana, makabalik. Gano'n ang wish mo? Yung anak mo, mga anak
Ako man, ikaw ba nag-wish o
Siya
ako?
ka nag-wish eh. O, kantahan mo si Papa Edison. Birthday niya sa 20. Game. 1, 2, 3, go!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Lunan pa.
Oh.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to
I'm still holding on to everything that's dead and gone. I don't wanna say goodbye, 'cause this one means forever. Now you're in the stars, and 6 feet's never felt so far. Here I am alone between the heavens and the embers. Oh, it hurts so hard. For a million different reasons, you took the best of my heart and left the rest in pieces. Digging through your old birthday letters, a crumpled 20 still in the box. I don't think that I could ever find a way to spend it, even if it's the last 20 that I've got. Oh, I'm still holding on to everything that's dead and gone. I don't wanna say goodbye, 'cause this one means forever. Now you're in the took the best of my heart and left the rest in peace. I'm still holding on. I'm still holding on. I'm still holding on. Still holding on. I'm still holding on. I'm still holding on to everything that's dead and gone. I don't wanna say goodbye, 'cause this one means forever. Now you're in the stars, and 6 feet never felt so far. Here I am alone between the heavens and the embers. Oh, I'm still holding on to everything that's dead and gone. I don't wanna say goodbye, 'cause this one means forever. Now you're in the stars, and 6 feet never felt so far. Here I am alone between the heavens and the embers. Oh, it hurts so hard for a billion different reasons. You took the best of my heart, left the rest in peace.
Kung ang lahat ay may katapusan, itong paglalakbay ay makakarating din sa paroroonan. At sa iyong paglisan, ang tanging pabaon ko ay pag-ibig. Sa pagbuhos ng ulan, sa haplos ng